Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix a Philip Hue bridge not connecting to the internet in 2026. So first of all, you need to make sure that the Hue bridge is properly connected to your router using the Ethernet cable. You need to check both ends of the cable and try a different port if it is needed. Now you can also try restarting the bridge and the router. For that, you just have to simply unplug your Hue bridge and your router. Then simply wait for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, you just have to turn them back on. So what this is going to do is it is going to refresh the network and fixes most of the connection related issues. Now make sure that your Wi-Fi is actually working. If your internet is down, the Hue bridge won't connect either. You can also take a look at the light signals that are available on Hue bridge. If you see power light, it should be on. The network light means that it should be stable, and the internet light should be on. So if the internet light is off, the bridge is not connected properly. Now you can reconnect it via the Hue application. For that, you need to simply open the Hue application, then go to the settings. In the settings, look for the option of bridges. So in the bridges, you can try reconnecting or adding the bridge again. Simply press the button on top of the bridge when it is prompted and you are done. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.